There is a great opportunity for you to join a 4-year engineering degree in AI and Robotics offered by Karpaka College of Engineering Technology, established in the year 2001 and part of the larger Karpaka Educational Group. KVCET is known for bringing world-class education in niche areas like AI and robotics, that too affordable for every student. To make this course industry and future oriented, we have a technical and industry advisory board headed by Ms. Deborah from USA. Ms. Deborah has made this program very unique, and she will speak to us now about the strategic planning in this program.
It was an exciting journey when I started to design the vision and roadmap for the two emerging technology courses, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, as well as Robotics and Automation. Digital transformation of industry has created immense opportunity for these two emerging fields, are expected to create 58 million new jobs globally. If you are an adventure seeker who loves to innovate, lead and inspire, these courses will help you to grow and achieve your dreams. To bridge the gap between the academics and industry, we focused on 4 key pillars. The curriculum design, which was benchmarked with international universities, will include advanced courses that are designed to be delivered by industry experts. World-class Innovation Lab will help the students put into practice the art of possibilities of what they learn in the classroom setting. The ecosystem of industry experts and startups will bring the emerging novel technology to the classroom and coach the students. Finally, to take the concept from lab to the real world, even before they graduate, the students will create and present multiple real-time projects throughout their entire coursework. I'm excited that these new implementations will transform the way education can guide new possibilities. The management and staff members bring a very unique spirit that will make a huge difference to bring this vision into reality.
In the next video, we will brief you about the unique features of the AI and Robotics program, 4-year engineering degree program offered by KVCET. Stay tuned.